Not my finest hour. Right then, so I've drained the system. I'm gonna take off these two hoses here and the carburetor and the fuel pipe hoses, and then start making my way down to the inlet manifold and remove that. So this goes to the brake servo, so that's going to come off, and that goes to some form of oil thing, I'm not sure. Alright then, so now I've taken off everything with the carburetor and all the hoses. It's just the four 13mm bolts to the inlet. There's one there, under there, top, under, oh sorry, yeah, four, yeah. So anyway, so I'm just going to undo those now, and hopefully all the penetrating oil makes them come away pretty easily. A couple of them you can't get to by socket, so I'm just going to use just a normal spanner to get them off. Right, so once you got those two end ones off, over here and here, they come with washers on. There's just the other three bolts in the middle, which I'm going to use a spanner for. Well, I might use a socket on these two. There's one more bolt underneath. And there it is. So I've got a new one of these on the way. I'm also going to check on cylinder number 1, as I did drop something down there once and it seems like everything was alright, but since it's off, I might as well have a look inside. So I've cleaned up the fascia a little bit. I'm going to keep going with it. Probably going to use gunk on some of this and try and get all that off. Not a very nice colour coming out of there though. Well, I'll keep cleaning it up anyway. See what we get. That green gunk, the eco stuff, to penetrate this. Leave it 10 minutes, come back, see how it looks. Hopefully a lot better.